Fabulous and bright 2-bedroom 1-bath timber loft with 16-foot ceilings. This awesome and unique loft is located right in the heart of the South Loop. Hardwood floors throughout with a custom updated kitchen west/granite countertops, backsplash and stainless steel appliances. Master bed with walk-through custom closets leading to newly designed main bath with large soaking tub. Custom lighting and cozy living area with fireplace. West/D in unit. Walk to restaurants, parks, lake, Soldier Field Transit and more. Garage parking available to lease for $150 per month.